Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about bond parameters. Bond length, bond angle, bond order and bond dissociation enthalpy are called bond parameters. Bond length. In a covalently bonded molecule, distance between the nucleus of the two bonded atoms is known as bond length. Let's see the picture. Here the bond length is equal to R1 plus R2. Bond length increases with the increase in the size of bonded atoms and decreases with an increase in the number of bonds between bonded atoms. Let's see the table given here. The bond length of CH is 107 picometer. Carbon, single bond carbon is 154 picometer because size of carbon is higher than hydrogen. So size increase, bond length will increase. Carbon double bond carbon bond length is 133 picometer. Carbon triple bond carbon bond length is 120 picometer. Okay, number of bonds between atoms increase, bond length will decrease. Okay, carbon triple bond carbon have 3 bonds, so number of bonds are high. Okay, so the value of bond length is less. Bond length is determined by X-ray diffraction or electron diffraction method. Bond angle. Bond angle is simply the angle between two bonds or two bonded electron pairs in a compound. For example, in H2O, the bond angle is 104.5 degrees and in CH4 the bond angle is 109.5 degree. Bond order. Bond order is given by the number of bonds between the atoms in a molecule. In H2, number of bonds between atom is 1, so the bond order is 1. In O2, number of bonds between two oxygen atoms is 2, so the bond order is 2. In CO, 3 shared electron pairs between C and O, so the bond order is 3. Bond order is inversely proportional to bond length. Higher the bond order, bond length will be less. If bond order comes out to be 0, the molecule does not exist. For example, helium-2 molecule. The bond order is 0, so helium-2 molecule does not exist. Bond enthalpy. It is defined as the amount of energy required to break 1 mole of bonds of a particular type between two atoms in a gaseous state. The unit of bond enthalpy is kilojoule per mole. Example, the hydrogen-hydrogen bond enthalpy in H2 molecule is 435.8 kilojoule per mole. The bond dissociation enthalpy of O2 is 498 kilojoule per mole. It is important that larger the bond dissociation enthalpy, stronger will be the bond in the molecule. The magnitude of bond enthalpy is also related to bond order. Greater the bond order, more will be the bond enthalpy. For example, bond enthalpy of carbon single bond carbon bond is 347 kilojoule per mole. Here the bond order is 1, while that of carbon double bond carbon bond, the bond order is 2 and the bond dissociation enthalpy is 610 kilojoule per mole. Okay, so greater the bond order, more will be the bond enthalpy. In polyatomic molecules like H2O, the term mean or average bond enthalpy is used.